Are you struggling to build a modern, feature-rich booking app for your golf course or sports stadium? Developing a seamless, multi-platform user interface from scratch can be an incredibly time-consuming and expensive endeavor. Introducing SwingMate, the ultimate Flutter UI kit specifically designed for golf course and stadium booking applications. SwingMate provides everything you need to launch a professional, user-friendly booking experience quickly and efficiently. Built with Flutter, SwingMate ensures a consistent, high-performance experience across Android, iOS, web, and desktop platforms. Dive into over 35 meticulously designed screens covering every essential aspect of a sophisticated booking app. From smooth onboarding and secure authentication to intuitive venue browsing and detailed scheduling, every detail is considered. Users can effortlessly select tee times or stadium slots, manage their bookings, and process payments with ease. Experience a sleek, modern UI/UX design enhanced by neat animations and full support for a comfortable dark mode. SwingMate is packed with robust features like advanced search and filtering, along with precise location integration to find nearby venues. It includes a secure payment gateway, engaging push notifications, and a comprehensive system for user reviews and ratings. Explore dedicated sections for memberships, special events, and a convenient shopping cart for additional services or merchandise. The clean, well-organized code is perfectly ready for seamless API and Firebase integration, significantly reducing your development timeline. SwingMate is your strategic advantage, saving countless hours of design and coding effort while delivering a top-tier application. Stop reinventing the wheel and accelerate your app development journey with SwingMate today. Get started now and bring your cutting-edge booking application to life faster and more efficiently than ever before. Find the link to purchase SwingMate in the description below and transform your development process.